10 minutes, we were able to clear the plants. Nakatrim na we took out the upper portion, which is the bowl shape. As instructed, ganito na muna. That one, very cleared. And we have already also, we were able to clear on that area. Clean na namin. Nakuha na tanan ang tanom nga akatong murag naglandrakas nga. And we were able to plant a new plant. Ano na, the family of Kalyadili, we uproot also from there in that portion. Dili na mo siya gi-uproot to. Ani uproot na mo dinhi. And this portion, see, among clear diri the pita, look at that. Cleared out na, then we will be putting plants here of the same family. Ganito. Para uniform po doon sa kabila. O, ayun. So, this area naman, next na mo balik, we will take off this again. This one, kukunin namin. Maiiwan ito na lang dito sa taas. At hanapan pa namin ng ilang matataas na klase para uniform talaga naman. No? Okay, so for this morning, ito na po ang aming ito na po ang aming very clean. Yan po ganda tapos nalagyan na din namin ng ano din kami dito in this portion also. Okay, ito we were able to nagagdagan na namin ng lupa para matamnan na ulit. Ito pa may portion na hindi pa na puno. Ligat back, puno na namin ito. Beyond that portion, puno na. So, thank you, Apa people, for your constant participation dahil makatanggap po tayo sa ating plan for certification. Ayun, this area, meron na po siyang bagong tanim. The peace lily. So let's get started.